Hey, welcome to the video. Today I'm working on my Triumph Daytona 675. I love it. This bike is amazing. I love the way it sounds, I love the way it rides, but I've always wanted it to be a little bit louder, a little bit more comfortable, and to be able to use some maps on it. So today I've got some things to install, which I'll take you through now. Got some bar ends I got from AMX. Hopefully they're decent. I have no idea about this brand, but they're black and sleek, so should look cool. In here, I've got something I'm actually really keen about. It's probably not going to make a big difference to riding, but it's a quad lock. And one of the most important things, if you've got an iPhone as well, is this vibration dampener. So we got all these, we got a case, we've got the Pro fork mount, which would be nice. That should go right in here and mean I can have it sitting right there when I look down. That'll be really cool. And the thing I'm most excited for, I'm really excited for this. Got a new exhaust. This is going on, it's a Delkevic, very cheap compared to some that you get. Finding these exhausts for these bikes is just impossible now. So I got this, it was I think around about 400, 450. It's a carbon fiber, pretty much a can. It's just a straight pipe, but it looks pretty cool. It's cheap and hopefully it'll sound good too, we'll find out. And the final thing I don't actually have here yet is some new grips. If this will focus, these ones are all cracked and pretty gross, to be honest. They're a bit worn out. This side's not matching. Don't know if it's meant to, but I got two brand new ones that I'm gonna go pick up now. So I'm thinking when I go and pick them up, I gotta go grab them from him now. I'll take a little sound clip of the exhaust, see how it is stock, I'll get it starting up, all that sort of stuff, so you can see a before and after of how it sounds and hopefully a good difference. And before we go, I say we grab this quad lock stuff and get this put on so I can actually use my maps to get there. So the way that this works is it's got a little Allen key on top, and when I tighten this up, it pushes these out. So when I slot that in, tighten this up, this should push out and it should be locked in place. Alright guys, we're back and I've got the grips. They're just original Triumph, nothing special, but they should be pretty nice when they're swapped out with this. I reckon I'll give this a go first, get these looking good, and then we'll move on to the exhaust. There we go guys, it's done. Check it out. So there's a bit of a gap here. So that's where the old one overhung over it, and this one is obviously just flat straight down. So a bit of a gap. On this side, I'm not too worried about it. This side, I don't know. It's got like a little bit of a mounting hole there for something, which kind of annoys me a little bit, but overall, compared to before, I think it looks great. So now, we're done with them. We're done with that. It's time for the good part. Get to unbox this bad boy. We have one section of pipe, two sections. We have what I assume is the mounting bracket. Yeah, mounting strap. We've got whatever this is. Oh, exhaust sealant. That's cool. And then I can see some rubber sticking out of this part here. I assume this is the actual can. Look at that, that's chunky. It's all packaged pretty well though. Like it's all in bubble wrap. Nothing's gonna get scratched or broken. Oh, nice. Alright, so that was that strap. Here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's sick. Alright, let me crack this open. That is, look at that. That is nice though. I'm really happy with that. Cool. Alright, let's put this thing on. Bear with me, I've recorded this like 5 times because I sound way too depressed. But yes, I did crash my bike. I was going up the street and I hit some gravel and went into the back of a 4-wheel drive. So I'll pop some photos in here. But yeah, it's pretty sad. I'm trying to stay positive about it all. The bike is pretty cooked. It's back there and I'll show you around it in a sec. But yeah, I'm fine. Everything's all good, but yeah, bike is... So yeah, I hit on the front left. The shocks are all blown. The headlights aren't attached anymore. Front tire's gone. The actual wheel is buckled as well. And everything's kind of just sitting flat on the actual tire at the moment. Anytime I roll it, it's just scraping every part up in there. So yeah, it's probably fixable, but for the amount of money that it would take to do it, I don't know if it's going to happen. So yeah, we'll see how we go. I'll keep you guys updated, but this is definitely going to be the end of the bike for now. So yeah, I'll catch you guys next time for hopefully a better, more positive outcome on our project.